on the road, headed back to New Orleans, driving in the country past old-timey scenes. Big birds were singing in the tall willow trees, mighty fine. 3 words written on a paper bag, I miss you, was written in a message in black, thrown in a van. It's 1,000 miles back, a better time. And how many souls and times that I've told, the places that I'd want to be, and how many days when I could have stayed instead of just getting up to leave. And given we make time, I'll meet you down the line. A long coat, walking on a New York street, a pack of crushed cigarettes that fell to her feet. Well, ain't it odd how some people meet, but that's the truth. And 2 pictures buried in a guitar case, underneath the music sheets all over the place. I caught a glimpse of the sweetest girl's face I ever knew. And how many souls and times that I've told, the places that I'd like to be, and how many days when I could have stayed instead of just getting up to leave. And given we make time, I'll meet you down the line. And all the days from now to then, if they never seem to come or to go, find me in your memories that keep you from getting so low. And given we make time, I'll meet you down the line. Down the line, meet up down the line, down the line.
I told you it was bullshit, but no one listens to me, and then they come crying to me when things fall apart. Well, no.
Oh, you don't need to let your body go. Hungry heart. It's not easy to start over. I've been there a couple of times, starting over.
After 400 meters, leave the roundabout at the second exit entrance.
Know that when the night comes over you, restless indeed, you will shed that skin. Oh, it feels like a long run up here. Just stay still. Take the smallest breaths, the shortest steps. It's enough.
Oh yeah, we've come a different way.
Take it easy and let your feelings out. Don't push them aside. Don't hide. Know that when the night comes over you, rushes into you. You will shed that skin. Oh, it feels like a long run uphill. Just stay still. Know that when the night comes over you, rushes into you, you will shed that skin. Oh, it feels like a long run uphill. Just stay still. Oh,
Yeah, for walk off.
I look out across the water, I smell the salt, I feel the breeze, but in my